In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Bank of America account to Robinhood. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Robinhood like you normally would. Go to the bottom menu and press on the profile icon right over here. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the top right, press on these three bars. Then you scroll down until you see this section that says transfers. Go ahead and press on that. And then you just want to scroll down just a little bit and you're going to see this section that says linked accounts. All right, and then check this out. You're then going to see this button that says add new account, and you're able to go ahead and press on it. And then from there, you're able to determine whether you want to add a debit card or a bank account. From there, go ahead and select on a bank account right over here. But keep in mind that this process might take a couple days in order to actually complete. But then afterwards, you will need to input your phone number. And then that is going to use a software called Plaid. And Plaid basically bridges the gap between your bank account to your Robinhood account. So just enter in your phone number and then press on continue. And then it is going to send you a code directly to your phone number. So make sure that you do have access to your phone and that you're able to see the code. Then you want to type in the code and then you should be good to go. And then afterwards, you're going to see this button that says add new account. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and select on Bank of America. Of course, there are other banks out there. You have Chime, Chase, etc. But anyways, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to press on continue to log in. Then it is going to open up the official Bank of America website where you're going to need to go ahead and sign in using your user ID and your password. And then afterwards, you're going to be good to go. And it is going to ask you to confirm that you actually want to link your Bank of America account to Robinhood. So afterwards, be sure to go ahead and confirm it and you should be good to go. Now, keep in mind that it is going to take a couple business days in order for Robinhood to actually verify that it's your bank account. So expect like 5 business days. Sometimes it could take like even a week, even 2 weeks sometimes. So it is a little bit frustrating how slow Robinhood can be, but I want to be transparent with you guys. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.